Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a hotel in the United Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Tools and Services section, look for the Book a Hotel button and click on that. And then click on the Search for Hotels button. So first you have to give your destination. And then you have to set the check-in date. And then the checkout date as well. And you can use mileage plus miles if you want to, but you don't have to do that. And by clicking on this little information button, you can see the function of this mileage plus service. And then you have to set the rooms. So if you want for one room for one adult, or one room for two adults. But then by clicking on the more options, you can set the number of rooms, and then the number of adults and children. So, and then just click on the search button. And as you can see, you will get some options for accommodation in London. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.